Hi everyone, I'm Carla Johnson. And did you know a brown banana just like this was the inspiration behind a $99 billion idea? Join me July 11th and 12th in beautiful Denver, Colorado for my Rethink Innovation workshop with AMI. I'll tell you the rest of the story about the brown banana and how it inspired a $99 billion business. And along the way, I will teach you how to rethink everything you know about innovation. A lot of times as agency owners, the ideas fall on your shoulders to come up with. Or maybe you're just dependent on one or two creative people and everything else gets bottlenecked. But the interesting thing about the world of agency business is that ideas aren't just necessary for clients. They're necessary for how you do sales, how you onboard clients, how you manage everything behind the scenes, from operations to finance to tech, all of it. And you know what? The common denominator of what you need in every area of your business is ideas. I will teach you the proven 5-step process that the most successful and prolific innovators in all walks of business, places around this world, corners of business, sizes of businesses use to consistently come up with great ideas that have a bottom line impact. If you're looking for ideas for your own business, for how you deliver ideas for your clients, or if you want to make sure that you have that constant supply of ideas to feed to your clients, this is the workshop that you need to be in. We all know the AMI research that says the number one reason that agencies lose a client is because they're not consistently bringing those ideas to the table. Join me July 11th and 12th, and I will show you the proven process that you can use to have that consistent flow of ideas. Sign up today, and I'll see you there. And I'll bring my own brown banana.